Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will repair this Telefunken vintage amplifier with no power problem. Let's begin. Here we have this vintage amplifier. Now it's powered to the main power supply. As you can see, this LED is on, but when I try to power on and off, this should turn on. Now let's see the problem. First of all, I will measure the voltage on power on switch. It's digital switch. It's not usual on off switch. Put it to the input of the voltage. It's on the secondary part. It's digital. Usually on this switch we should have 5 volts. I have the schematic. I will put the schematic to the end of the video, and with this switch open we should have 5 volts. As you can see, we don't have 5 volts here. Now I will go further. Here we should have 5 volts. We don't have 5 volts. Now I have to take everything apart to see on the other side, because we don't have access from here. Now here we have main PCB. Let's look. I don't see a problem here, so let's check the 5 volt output, 5 volt supply. I think this is the 5 volts. Yes, this should be 5 volts. Now let's measure this area. This is the 5 volts. Let's measure. Input we have No, this is ground. This should be input. So problem is not this IC. Let's check other transistor in the area. This is a power transistor. So this is good. This one is good. Here we have a transistor, 16 volts, minus 16, minus 23, so this is also good. I will check the schematic to see what we have here on the 5 volts. I am looking at the schematic and doesn't have sense. You can see this IP36, it's 5 volt stabilizer, and I don't see any rectifier diode. Apparently we have alternative current input. I will check all the fuses. This one is good. 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 Now let's check the circuit board. This is the 5 volt stabilizer. This is ground. Let's check. Ground, ground. So this is ground, this is input, and this is output 5 volts. Now let's see. Let me check with the microscope. This is the same wire, but here this should be short circuit, but it's not. Now I see. Now you can see the picture. We cannot see with the eye, but under the microscope I see now there is a crack starting from here, 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 here and here. Let's check the other. This one is also open. This is good. This one, this is open. Now I have to repair this. Now let's test the continuity. First one is good. Second one is good. Third one. Fourth. Fifth. Now let's power this up and see what happens. So this is input. No, this is output. This is input. Input 11 volts. Output 5 volts. Now let's connect the front panel. Now let's power this up. It seems it's working good. Now let's connect the speaker and the test. Before to connect the speakers, I will measure the voltage to the output connector. Good. Good. Do not damage the speaker, because this model doesn't have speaker protection. Now let's power. Move to the CD input. It seems it's working. This channel, left channel, now let's check the right channel. I hope that you can hear. It's a very good sound quality. Now I just have to put everything back, and now it's working. This one was a simple job, but I learned a lot of things. If you have any questions, please put it in a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.